Yun mga idol. Mag-uumpisa na tayo, magja-jumble na. At meron rin nga pala tayong Facebook page mga idol, Wong TV. At meron rin tayong YouTube channel, Wong TV 12. At meron rin tayong Facebook profile, Boss Wong mga idol. Papalo naman mga idol, maraming salamat. Boss Big versus Slam Dunk.
Slam Dunk versus
Warmer Finals. Hey! No! Rebound number 13. Apiado. Huli. Number 14. Adamos. Hey! It's good! Number 17. 15. No. Rebound na kanino. May foul.
Taas ang kamay ng foul, number 17. Mabuti.
Ito pala. Number 6, pass to number 14. Padua, bang! Number 1. Number 17. Pastor. Uli. Pass to number 1, Padua. Hey, 14. Hey, number 1. Panalize pass. Grabe naman yun. Behind the back. Score natin, 7-0. Lamang pa rin ang Boss Big kontra Slam Dunk. Number 15. No. Pass to number 14. Adamo is good. Time out. Score natin 9-0.
9-0 run. Kagad ang Boss Big. Ayos ka ra sa kabila kayo. Ayun, nakaputo isa. Back to the ball game. Bola na, slam dunk.
Number 17. Pastor, pull up jumper. No, rebound number. Padua, number 14. Foul!
Lucero. First personal foul, second team foul. Super Joe by number 14.
Number 13. 14 is good. Number 14. Adamo is good. Oras natin 7 minutes and 45 seconds. First quarter. Score natin 11-0. Uli. Na kanino ang bola? Number 15. Napakaganda naman ng depensa ng Boss Big dito. As to number 14. Adamos, number 1. Padua.
Outside the Boss Big. Lang the ball. Lucero.
23. Pull up jumper. No. May foul.
First personal foul, Padua, first team foul. 2-0 by number 23, Pastor.
Oras natin 7 minutes. Exactly first quarter mga idol.
First quarter, Rebound, Sardon. Sardon to Padua.
Padua. Pass to number 14.
Damos.
Adamos. What a nice pass. Oh!
By number 17. Mabune. 7 personal foul. 13 fouls. Sa finals tayo, may 5 minutes. Maglagay ka ng yelo sa ulo mo, baka ma-thrown out.
Number 18. It's good. Score natin 12-0 mga idol.
Walang junior yan, ha? Junior! Wala! Mabune. Mabune.
Number 17. 23. Number 6. Rebound.
Number 1, Padua. Second personal foul, second team foul. Pasok ako na siya, Lucero.
Number 6.
2 or 2, number 6, Lucero.
Number 1. Padua. Oras natin 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 6. Pull up jumper. No. Rebound na kanino? Huli ni number 1. Padua. Huli. Huli ni number 14. Adamos. Phoenix pass. Number 3. Pass to number 6. Grabe naman yun, idol. Number 13. Piado. Number 15. No. Rebound number 1. Padua. Foul.
5 minutes. Lucero. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Maiwan siya Pian. Junior. Ang Pian lang sinabi ko, ha.
It's good. Score natin 15-2. Lamang pa rin dito ang Boss League kontra ang Slam Dunk. Number 3.
Año Nuevo. Tubausa. Año Nuevo.
Number 3. Pass to number. Good. Hey, number 28. It's good. Kapapasok lang mga idol. Number 7. Año Nuevo, number 3. Number 4, no. Rebound number 9, pass to number 24. Escalona. Number 9, favorite shot. Number 9, the relay. Oras natin, 4 minutes exactly mga idol. First quarter. Score natin 24. Favor of Boss Big. No, rebound number 9. Pass to number 24. Huli. Number 3. Hold up. Jumper. No.
Madisgrasya. Madisgrasya kasi, sorry. Madisgrasya. May granada kayo ng bata yun. May atis.
Score natin 26. Favor of Boss Big kontra Slam dunk.
26 in favor of
Number 24, Escalona. No, rebound number 14. Huli. Pass to number. Huli. Pass to number 9. Number 28. And Kilo, it's good.
picture pa na yan.
Champion yun ah.
Foul by number 24. Escalona.
May laban kayo bukas.
First personal foul. 13 foul.
Sa 6. Hindi, baka maaga. Huli. Number 7. Pull up jumper. No. Number 24. Escalona. It's good. Score natin 24-6. Favor of Boss Big kontra Slam Dunk. 14. No. Rebound. Short yun, idol.
2 minutes. First one.
24. Escalona. Foul. Number 24, Escalona. No. Oras natin, 1 minute and 54 seconds mga idol. First quarter. Number 4, no, rebound. Number 7, good. Number 7, Escalona. Number 9, Darilay. Pull up jumper. Number 4. Pass to number 10. Finish pass. No. Pass to number 24. Escalona. It's good. Number 3. Pass to number 7. Nasa butan. Pass to number 28. And Kilo, it's good. Score natin 29-8. Favor of Boss Beat. Oras natin 40 seconds. First quarter.
Solo.
Number 7. Pass to number 3. No. Rebound. Pass to number 9. Darilay. Pull up jumper. No. Number 4. Huli. Pass to number 66. Escalona. Number 9. Darilay. Pull up J. Number 4. Wala nang oras. Score natin 29-8.
Slam drop. 8. Kumain ka muna. Sergio Arada. At dinagis ka pa ng pagkain. Second Lucero. Lucero, pinasa.
Huli.
Wala, malakas. Uy, single ang tinawag na referee. 14 seconds.
14 seconds. Number 17, third drop. No.
Rebound, reserve one.
Pass to number 6. Pass to number 14. Adamos. Pass to number 1. Padua. May foul.
Number 6, Lucero. Lucero, third personal foul.
Number 1, Padua. Pass to number 18.
Cross passes are good. Third goal, short.
Pull up jumper. No.
Rebound ni Abian.
May foul.
Foul. Number 6. Warning for disqualification. Second personal foul.
Hey, next pass. Power move. It's good.
Abian, T-Mine. Picture din yun. Gusto rin pa picture niya.
Number 17.
Number 17. Pass.
Huli.
Abian.
Pass to number 14. Adamos. It's good. Number 17. Hey, field drop. It's good. Number 17. Number 2 pala yun, mga idol.
Number 14.
Number 14, Adamos. Hey, nice pass. Number 6. It's good. Grabe naman yung pasang yun, idol. Bullet pass. Score natin 35-10. Lamang ang boss Dick. Number 6. No, rebound number 18. Same ball.
14 seconds on clock. Apiado sa tres.
Yado. No, number 17. Huli. Pass to number 14. Adamos. Pass to number 1. Padua.
Padua, short stop.
Good. Number 1. Padua. Number 17. Hey, crossover. Tail drop. No, rebound number 3. Pass to number 14. Adamos, sumigot. Hey! Grabe naman yun, idol. Number 17. Pull up jumper number 13. No. Rebound number 18. Pass to number 14. Hey, nice pass. Number 3. Pass to number 18. Number 14. Adamos. Number 1. Padua. No. Hey, sayang naman yun, idol. Oras natin 6 minutes and 19 seconds, mga idol. And second quarter. Abi. No, niluwakan ang ring yun, idol. Number 17, Ladies pass. Good, foul, basket.
Foul, basket. First personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw para kay number 27. Wala, rebound from Clark.
Number 14, nice pass to number 6. Outside, mga idol. 5 minutes.
Pasok ang lima.
Oras natin, 39-12. Favor of Boss B kontra Slam Dunk.
Darating dyan.
Number 3. Paso number 3. No, rebound na kanino? 20. 24, Escalona. Hey, no! Number 10, ay rabbit, foul.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Number 3, paso number 10. Number 10, the drop, it's good. $66, Escalona. Paso number 20. Five seconds to shoot, uli. Number 14, paso number 3. It's good, Anion Waba. Number 66, Escalona. Paso number 24, Brothers. 89. Bang! May foul!
Number 3. First personal foul, third team foul.
Oras natin, 3 minutes and 34 seconds mga idol. Second quarter. Number 89. Basket. Number 3. Paso number 4.
Number 4,
Number 4. Bang! Paso number 28. Paso number 24. Escalona. Escalona. Hold up jumper. Number 28. Escalona. Hey, nice pass. 89. It's good. Number 18. Hey, take drop, foul.
Number 24, Escalona. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 26 seconds mga idol. Second quarter. Score natin, 43-19. Lamang pa rin dito ang Boss B kontra Slam Dunk.
Second story, tapos Bostic ball.
Number 24, Escalona. No, rebound number 89. Same ball.
Number 14, same ball. 14 seconds. Edigilio.
28. No, rebound number. May foul.
Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Sige na mapipicturan.
Number 3. 23. Pull up jumper. No. Pass to number 28. 24. Escalona. Hey, foul. Basket.
Number 10. First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Bonus shot ni number 24, Solana. It's good.
First run is yellow. One minute exact.
Oras natin, 1 minute and second mga idol. Second quarter, score natin 46-19. Lamang pa rin dito ang Boss Big, number 4. Short.
Oras na 50 seconds.
Oras natin, 50 seconds mga idol. Number 20. Number 28. 24. Solana, favorite. No. Number 10. Number 10. Dumulas.
Dumulas. 30 seconds. Break.
Number 4. Rabbit, number 10. No. Number 20. 24. Solana. May foul.
Penalty. First personal foul. Penalty. 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
It's good. Number 24. Solana. Pangalawang tira, number 24. It's good. Oras natin, 9 seconds. And the second quarter. Number 3. Tail drop. It's good. Wala nang oras mga idol. Score natin, 48-19. Favor of Boss Big kontra Slam Dunk. Third quarter mga idol. Number 14, Adamos. Kaso number 3, pull-up jumper. Good. Score natin, 50-19. Favor of Boss Big mga idol. Kontra, Slam Dunk. Number 17, 27. Number 14, Adamos. Kaso number Wong TV. Wong TV. Sa youth.
Number 15.
Number 15.
Nakuha yung nabalik. Number
15,
15.
side step. No.
Rebound out from Wells. Pass to Sir John. Pass to Adamos.
Adamos, 14. It's good. Oras natin, 8 minutes and 40 seconds mga idol.
40 cents.
Third quarter.
Foul shot for Blake.
Number 7, Basa.
Foul shot pa rin. Foul shot inaharap.
Pass to number 17.
Pass to number 15.
No.
Oh, makita. Tapos.
Pass to number 1, Padua. Pass to number, uli. Number 7, nagmamadali.
Number 7, sorry. Foul shot.
Number 7, pull-up jumper. No. Rebound number 89. Di na to ni Idol. Number 2, short. 15. Number 15 is good. Number 3, 89. Number 14, Adamos. Bang! Number 15. Short. Kuha ni number 9. Pass to number 1. Padua. No. Adamos. Good.
2 points by Adamos.
Score natin 57-21. Lumalayo na ang kalamangan ng Boss Big. Ondra and slam dunk. Quarter fine arms mga idol. Number 7 sa step. May foul. Blocking foul.
Lucky foul para kay number 3. 7 goals. First personal foul, first team foul.
Pass to number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2, huli. Pass to number 89.
Tatakaba.
Number 89. Hey, it's good.
2 points. Adamos.
45, huli. Number 3. Pass to number 1, Padua. 89, Enix pass. 14. Adamos, no. 89, it's good. Pass to number 7, 27. It's good. Bang! Number 1, Padua. Number 9, the relay. The relay reverse, no. Number 7. Number 15. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Number 15, no. Rebound number 89. Pass to number 14, Adamos. Number 14. Pass to number 1, Padua. Good. Oras natin, 5 minutes. Exactly, third quarter mga idol. Score natin, 63-24.
Talagang pa yung ano. 63-24 in favor of Boston. Agent weapon number 3.
Number 3. Lucero. No. Kaso number 4. Wala pa rin. Kaso number 24 is Galana. Number 24.
Lucero. Maraming salamat. Ikaw ay nakapasa sa pagsusulit. Graduate ka na. Ayan na, pauwi ka na. Pinapauwi ka na, Nasero. Pinapauwi na ang asawa mo.
Huli, number 24, Escalona. It's good.
Number 14, Bangladesh, Sonia Nuevo. Anya Nuevo.
14. Bang! Number 66, Escalona. Pass to number 8, pass. No. Pass to number. Huli. Number 3. 23. No. Number 3, it's good. 24. Escalona's crossover. 24. Pass to number 6. 24.
10 seconds.
Number 20. Bang! Master. Number 3. Pastor. Field drop. No. Rebound number 6. Pass to number 66. Escalona. Pass to number 18. Hey, 24. No, nakuha ni number 14. Pass to number 4. Hey, change step. No, rebound number. Pass to number 66. Escalona. It's good. 13. Pull up jumper. No. One a number. Pass to huli. 14. No. Number 4. Pass to number 4. It's good. Escalona 24. Number 18. Short. Number 4. Pass to number 13. It's good. Number huli pa rin mga idol. Apiado, number 13. Number 14. Bang! Score natin 74-38. Lamang pa rin dito ang Mosby kontra number 6. May foul.
Kay number 13, Apiado. First person to foul, second team foul.
66, Escalona. No. Number 3. It's good. Number 6. Number 6. Good. Number 13. No, dalawa. Pasto na. Nakuha ni number 4. Still drop is good. Oras natin 30 seconds. And the third quarter. Number 6. It's good. 15 seconds mga idol. Number 4. No, rebound number 66. Escalona.
5
Escalona, no! Score natin 78-42 mga idol. Lamang ang Boss B kontra Slam Dunk quarterfinals.
Last and final quarters. Second game of the night. Last quarter natin.
Last quarter na tayo mga idol. Final quarter, fourth quarter mga idol. Number 10, face drop is good. Number 3. Number 14, Adamos. No, rebound pa rin. Number 14, nice pass. Good. Number 3. Score natin 80-44 mga idol. Kalahati ang lamang ng Boss V kontra Slam Dunk. Rebound number 10. Number 14, no. Bam! Number 89. Pass to number 28. Step. Huli! Huli ka!
Tapal ka! Tapal ka! Iniginyo! Iniginyo! Wala, natingin na!
Number 1.
Wala! Nakuha na namin ang bola!
Pass to number 14. We're down. Number 10. No, Adamos, rebound, 14.
Rebound pass to Pato.
Number 1, Badwa.
Pato sa Iniginyo!
Number 28. 89. Marzaze. Good.
2 points. Arabit sa tres.
Arabit. No, rebound number 28. Number 89.
Sa tres.
No, rebound na kanino, number 10. Number 7. No, rebound number 89. Pass to number 14. Adamos.
Adamos.
Side step, next pass, 28. It's good. Number 28. Pass to number 1. Padua, 14. Adamos, pull up jumper. May foul. Oras natin, 7 minutes exactly mga idol. Number 4. We're down, number 3. No! Sayang yun. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 35 seconds mga idol. Final quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Number 3. Number 89. Number 14. Number 1, Padua. Airball.
Pasok Pasok, pasok. Kaya kayo. Ang hindi mag-takit, out. Oh, sobra. Kira, sakra.
Number 17, paso number 13, Apiado. Dalawa kayo mga idol. 89, paso number 18. 89. 89, take step. Number 89, it's good. Number 4, huli. Master, paso number 89 for down. Bam! Score natin 87-47 mga idol. Oras natin. Paso number 24, Escalona. Number 17. Number 2. No. 24, Escalona. Paso number 89. No. Number 27. 66, Escalona. Tail drop, no. 24, English pass to Brothers. Number 66. Time out. Slam dunk. Oras natin 3 minutes and 19 seconds mga idol. Last quarter, fourth quarter mga idol. Number 13, tail drop. It's good. Number 66, Escalona. No. Number 3, sayang yun. Score natin 91-49, favor of Boss Big kontra Slam Dunk. Last quarter na to mga idol. Last quarter, fourth quarter mga idol. Quarter finals. Number 89, English pass. Escalona, 66, no. Number 14. We're down. Master. May foul.
First personal foul, first team foul. 2 minutes, 10 seconds.
Number 20, Master. Escalona, 24. No. 20, pass to number 89. Rebound number 3. Outside. Last 2 minutes by Wong TV mga idol. At Boss Wong. Number 4. Short. Number 13. Outside. Score natin, 91-49 mga idol. Quarterfinals.
Kamot sa ulo.
Lamang pa rin ang Boss Big dito mga idol. Kontra. Slam dunk. Number 4. Pass to number 13. No. Number 4 is good. Number 89. No.
Pinalog lang.
It's good. Number 89. No. Escalona. 35 seconds mga idol. Number 4 is good.
24 seconds. 24 seconds.
Escalona, 24.
Yan. Hindi ko pa. Oh, nakikita.
89. Bang! 5 seconds. Yun mga boss Wong, ganito na lang. Maraming salamat. At suportahan nyo naman si Boss Wong, Wong TV. At meron rin tayong Facebook page, Wong TV. At meron rin tayong YouTube channel.
Job Bell. Job Bell. Job Sila lang. O sige, mag-picture kayo. Picture kayo dalawa. Job Bell.
Yun mga boss Wong, ganito na lang. Maraming salamat.